Hello everyone, today in front of me I have this TOSCIDO M863 tablet, and let me show how you can download and install the Opera browser on it. First of all, you want to open up the Play Store. At the search bar, just go ahead and type in Opera. Once the needed app is found, make sure to click on this green install button and wait for it to get downloaded and respectively installed. Alrighty, now all that is left to do for us is to open the app. Here, tap on continue, allow, and as you can see we are all set. We can go ahead and start using the application. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye!